Say man a real born Jamaican, true Jamaican. Man a real born Jamaican. Say from my born from my mother, I grew up on the land, me a Jamaican. Yes, me a Jamaican. Man a real born Jamaican. Say from my born to my mama, I walk the salon. Them fin know say man a one real African. We a Jamaican. Man a real born Jamaican. We have to big up all the farmers. We plow up the land. We plant the banana, the pumpkin, I am. We a Jamaican. Man a real born Jamaican. We have to big up and over Chilani sentence. And tell the place where we food come from. We are Jamaican. Real born Jamaican. So make we take a walk down and watch it. Don't you for them take it from we. I be a tourist, I be a waiting. Heads of government no care about we. Take away happiness, them take away joy. Sweet Jamaica get destroyed. The land get destroyed. Me say the youth don't know what is not get no education. Tell me where so much land come from. Me have a question for the politician. Where's the plan for the younger generation? The ghetto youth have mere sufferation. They want to build up a foundation. A foundation. Say from me born from my mother and I grew up on the land. Me a Jamaican. Say man a real Jamaican. I be say true born Jamaican. Say from me born from my mother I grew up on the land. You feel no say man a real African. Me a Jamaican. Real born Jamaican. From me born from my mother I grew up on the land. Me a Jamaican. Tell them I'm Jamaican. Real born Jamaican. Say me born from my mother. Me a grew up on the land. Them fi know say man a real African. Me a Jamaican. Real born Jamaican. Tell me when the party dead tonight. Me have to hold a